Hello, welcome to World in a String Designs. I'm Alicia. Today we're going to be revealing the December 2025 Solo Sock Club socks, and we're going to reveal the bonus yarn for 2025, which is just the 13th. I don't know why I did a Beaker's Dozen, and yeah, so these are the finished socks for December. The pattern is the Ballad Socks by Sari Nordland, and the yarn is On the Round Nimble Sock in the colorway Emerald City. And I have two here, and I apologize for the lighting. We just moved into a new house. You can see there is much chaos and mayhem behind me, and the camera and the lighting equipment has not yet made its way to our new home. So yeah, but I couldn't wait to pull out what will be my last sock set for 2025. Today is actually Thanksgiving Day. Gosh, I don't even know when this will go up. I'm so far behind in editing. I think June maybe was the last one. They're all recorded. I just haven't put them up yet. So I'll try to get better. Things should be a lot less chaotic now that we're moved. And yeah, I have a nice little sewing studio down here so I can make my bags, and we just need to get that set up. We've been more focused on the house items for the time being, so here we are. Okay, so now it's time for the reveal. The final 2025 sock yarn and pattern. Oh, it's gonna be backwards because it's on the phone. So the pattern is the Hermione's Everyday Socks, and the yarn is from Highland Handmaids, and this is the Sugar Maple Sock. This is no longer available. She's not, Highland Handmaids is not in business anymore. But this is called Old Appliances, this is actually a great Thanksgiving color. So we've got these like burnt orange and green and gold and brown, and the Hermione's Everyday Socks. This is going to be lovely. So I am very excited to start on this, and this is going to end up being, of course it was all random, but this just happens to be the 13th one. So we will close out 2025 with Hermione's Everyday Socks and Old Appliances. This is I remember when she had her website up, and this was a colorway that I tried for a long time to get because I really liked it. So I'm excited to be working with it now. Great. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you in the next video.